Are you a dropshipping newbie wondering how much you can actually make in this business? Well, you've hit play to the right video. In this video, we'll dive into the world of dropshipping and uncover the true profitability of this business model. No fluff, no filler, just straight up facts and valuable insights. And make sure you watch it until the end, as we will also show you a simple example of a profitable product, how to price your item, how to calculate your advertising budget, and finally how to calculate your profit per order. So how much can you make dropshipping as a newbie? Let's find out. Is dropshipping still profitable and worth it? This is a question many beginners ask. Absolutely, dropshipping is definitely still worth it today, tomorrow, and beyond. But there's a catch. It all comes down to doing it the right way. It's all about selling high-quality products sourced from reliable suppliers who can ship fast to your customers. That is dropshipping the right way. Gone are the days of relying on products from China with lengthy shipping times and poor customer support. That type of dropshipping is long gone. Still skeptical? Let's look at the numbers. And I know numbers can be boring, but they will show you the truth about the dropshipping space. According to the latest Grandview research, the global dropshipping market reached $225.99 billion in 2022 and is expected to grow at a rate of 23.4% from 2023 to 2030. And another study by Research and Markets predicts that the global dropshipping market will reach a whopping $591.77 billion by 2027. And there's more. Did you know that 22 to 33% of online retailers have adopted dropshipping as their primary method of order fulfillment? And on Amazon, 56% of online sales are made by third-party sellers using dropshipping. Let's also look at Google Trends to see if dropshipping is trending. So, this graph shows that the search interest for dropshipping has grown over the past 5 years. And yes, there have been some ups and downs. But the conclusion is clear. Dropshipping search interest is now much greater than 5 years ago. Let's also check something else just for the fun of it. Google Trends data for Amazon dropshipping versus Shopify dropshipping in the last 5 years. So, as you can see, both of these terms have shown steady and strong growth in the last 5 years. What's even more interesting is that Shopify dropshipping is consistently gaining more interest and searches than Amazon dropshipping. These figures speak for themselves. Dropshipping is a force to be reckoned with in the e-commerce world. Just look at Shopify, one of the leading dropshipping platforms. Their revenue for the 12 months ending September 30th, 2023 was a staggering $6.651 billion, a 26.8% increase year over year. So, is dropshipping profitable? Absolutely. But how profitable it can be depends on various factors. The type of products you choose to dropship, for example. As a newbie, it's crucial to find a profitable niche with high demand and low competition. Choosing the right products can significantly impact your profit. Next up, your marketing efforts and experience. In the world of e-commerce, marketing is king. You can have the best products in the world, but without effective marketing, no one will know about them. Invest time and effort into creating a solid marketing strategy, including social media campaigns, Google Ads, and SEO. Now, let's talk numbers. While we can't actually tell you how much money you will make, we can share some inspiring success stories, and we can give you some numbers. As a newbie, you can make somewhere around $503,000 per month on average in the first year of business. Many dropshipping beginners have achieved 5, 6, and even 7-figure incomes. But remember, these results are not typical and require hard work, continuous learning, and adaptability. And we can't stress this enough, all of this depends on many factors, such as how unique your products are. Now, to make things even clearer, next, we'll show you a simple example of what kind of profit a dropshipping beginner can achieve with a specific product. When starting your dropshipping journey, we always recommend beginners consider high-ticket niches or items. Let's take a practical example to illustrate the potential. Imagine you decide to sell electric fireplaces in your online store. A quick search on Google Shopping reveals that the average price range for a decent electric fireplace is between $500 and $1,000. Let's assume you set a price of $700 for your electric fireplace and source it from a supplier for $400. This means you would make around $300 in profit per sale. However, it's important to consider your marketing expenses as well. Let's say you decide to promote your electric fireplaces on Google Shopping and you have a cost per click of $1. Assuming a 1% conversion rate, which is relatively low for Google Ads, you would need 100 clicks to generate one order. With 100 clicks at $1 per click, you would spend $100 on Google Ads to generate a $700 order. Now let's do the final math. If your order value is $700 and you subtract the $400 for the cost of goods and $100 for ad spend, your net profit would be $200. To generate a monthly profit of $3,000, you would only need 15 orders, which translates to an order every 2 days. This is something even a beginner can achieve with the right niche, the right product, the right price range, and effective advertising. Now imagine if you were selling outdoor saunas with an average price of $5,000 on Google Shopping, or jacuzzi hot tubs ranging from $3,000 to $5,000. The possibilities for profit grow exponentially. By adjusting your profit margin and exploring high-ticket items, you can generate significant profits at the end of the month, even with a 10% profit margin. Can a dropshipping beginner be successful and profitable by selling high-ticket items? Absolutely. The key lies in putting all the pieces together, finding the right supplier, selecting the right product, running effective ads, and so on. We'll explore all these topics in detail in future videos. Now, if you want to get started quickly, we recommend using apps like AppScenic, our dropshipping platform, to source your products. With over 1 million products from top suppliers located in countries like the USA, UK, EU, Canada, and Australia, you'll have access to a catalog of unique and premium products. Plus, our orders are fully automated, ensuring your product prices and stock are synced 24/7. Now, time for some reality check. What is the success rate for dropshipping newbies? Experts estimate that only about 10% of dropshipping businesses have a high success rate during the first year. Why? Rushing in without a plan. The key to increasing your chances of success lies in doing your research, planning, and providing exceptional customer service. Here's some more hard truth. Dropshipping requires time, effort, and dedication. It's not a get-rich-quick scheme. If you're willing to put in the hard work and build a serious business, dropshipping can be profitable in the long run, even if you're a newbie in this business. If you're feeling lost and don't know where to start on your dropshipping journey, we may have just the solution. Enroll in our dropshipping course, perfect for newbies and experienced sellers who need help setting up shop or boosting their sales. If you want to give it a try and learn more about our course, you can find the link in the description of this video. Got any experiences or questions about making it as a dropshipping newbie? Drop them in the comments below so we can all grow together. If you found this video helpful, hit that subscribe button and turn on notifications. That way you won't miss out on more content like this, made for beginners. And stay tuned. More videos to come to help you explore the world of dropshipping. Thank you for watching. Until next time.